Stop saying this. Oh, like my video, subscribe, turn on the notifications. Stop saying those things. No, if you're able to say it, maybe as a reminder at the end of your video, what you need to do is first give out value. Instead of asking someone to subscribe, to like your video, ask someone to watch this video to the end. Let me tell you one truth. You see, when people watch a video to the end, it makes the algorithm believe, oh, this video, people watch it to the end. That means it's hooked people. The algorithm does not know whether this video hooks or not. It's only when people watch it to the end. So if you're producing a short video and people are able to watch from end to end, the algorithm assumes that this video was a hook. It was powerful. So for that reason, stop asking people to subscribe at the beginning of the video. Let me tell you one truth. When you start a video and you ask people to subscribe to your channel, you're giving them a turn off that they should leave. That's just the truth. They should leave. So stop asking people to subscribe at the beginning of the video. Don't just start with, oh, subscribe. Don't do that. And don't also say this, welcome to my channel. My name is, don't do that. No, that is for amateur. Don't do that. Don't even do it. People don't have time. They don't have that kind of time. Start your video straight. Go straight to the point. We don't have time, so don't come and waste our time and our data. When you come, start. I am presenting 5 mistakes that content creators are making. 5 ways to manage your marriage. 5 things to do this. Mistakes that husbands are doing. Mistakes that wives are doing. People want to hear that. Forget about those intro. Oh, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. We know it's your channel already, so stop welcoming us. So rather, instead of saying welcome to my channel, tell them, in this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 tips to stay healthy, free from diabetes. People will watch that video. They want to get that 5 tips. So you start mentioning, number 1, do this. Number 2, do that. Number 3, do this. People will watch the video step by step to the end, so you don't waste their time. But when you come and say, oh, welcome to my channel, please subscribe, like this video, it is a turn off to them. In short, to us. So we'll likely stop in that place and swipe. Now, people don't have patience on the internet again. The time that people are spending on internet is like per second billion. People are per second that they are running out of time. So for that reason, stop telling people, subscribe to my channel, like my video, welcome to my channel. Don't do that. Rather, tell them like this. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips to stay away from ulcer. 5 things to do to prevent your marriage. Number 1, watch this video to the end. And point number 4 is for your own interest. So if you know you don't want to miss it, make sure you watch this video to the end for you to benefit. Human beings are selfish. How would I keep my mouth and say this one for you to hear? Human beings are so selfish. They don't want to subscribe for you. I don't know if you watch it, you're going to see you have large views. You have 10,000 views, but you don't even have up to 100 subscribers. Why? Because they are selfish without subscribers. Me, I don't know why they are selfish. I don't know why they are selfish. But they are selfish without those subscribers. Yes, but they want to get value. So since they want to get value, tell them, watch this video and know how to do this so you can go and help yourself. So since they want to go and help themselves, guess what is going to happen? They watch the video. Now, as they are watching that video, the algorithm is now looking at, okay, since people are actually watching this video, it seems there's something good about this video. So for that reason, the algorithm will push it out to plenty people. I don't know, I believe you understand the meaning of plenty. They'll push it out to many persons. They'll push it out. They'll push it out. Did you see that people are watching this video? Did you see that people are watching this video? Did you see that people are watching this video? As they're pushing it out like that, a lot of people are seeing, a lot of others are watching. So what you need to tell them, say, watch these videos to the end. Yes. Now when you tell them, watch these videos to the end, it is better than telling them, please like my video, please subscribe. No, don't beg anybody. See, when you beg people, they don't know what you want to do for you. No, rather tell them, watch this video to the end so that you can benefit. In order to know how to do this, watch this video to the end. If you know you want to learn how to cook edikanikong, watch this video to the end so that you will cook it. To prevent your marriage from collapsing, watch this video to the end. The person has seen what is going to benefit. This is what you are supposed to say, rather than saying, please like my video, please subscribe. When you say things like this, you are giving them what they stand to benefit. I tell you, human beings are selfish, including me. We are very selfish. So since they are very selfish, you give them a reason to watch the video to the end. When you give them a reason to watch the video to the end, once they watch the video and they got value, you now tell them, so that you can continue to get value like this, make sure you subscribe. If not, you will miss our video. Instead of telling them, subscribe to my channel, tell them, if you don't subscribe now, you are going to miss our next video, because if you're just seeing us for the first time, when you pass us now, you might not see us again. Does it make sense? It click, right? Yes. Tell them subscribe now, so that when I drop another video about diabetes, you will be the one that will see it first. So you give them a reason to do that thing, so they will subscribe. And I'm going to tell you, subscribe now, so that whenever I bring out content about content creators like you will benefit. When I bring out tips that will help content creators to grow, you will be among the people that will benefit. So subscribe now. The same thing I'm telling you is what I'm doing now. Subscribe now, so that you don't miss my next video. If you know you want your brother to see this video, like this video. When you like this video, you actually encourage me. Aside from encouraging me, you make the video to go viral, so that other people can see. So if you don't want other people to see, don't like. But if you know you want other people to see and also learn like you and benefit like you, so that God can bless you, like this video. Like the video now. Just click the like button now. I believe you've done that. So stop begging people to subscribe. Stop begging people to share your videos. Then the next thing you need to say in your video is ask them questions they can answer. When you ask them questions they can answer, you are in turn giving them a room to comment at the comment section. So the more comment that comes there will actually push your videos out, and more people are going to see your video. So ask them questions they can answer, and this will help you. Hope you've gotten value. If you've gotten value, then like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Come to the comment section and tell us what you like to know about content creators. Tell us the part that you're struggling. If it's low views that you're having challenges, let us know what you're struggling with. Then we are going to make video for you. Also watch this video that YouTube is actually recommending for you, because this particular video will help you to grow very fast as a content creator.